Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Welcome to these new Arabic lessons. As you have probably understood from the title of this video, I'll teach you Arabic using an easy method, assuming you have no idea about this language. These videos were published on YouTube 8 years ago for a French audience. You can find on the top right corner the link for the French playlist. Hopefully, a lot of people liked those videos and they became more motivated to learn more about this wonderful language. That's why I decided now to translate them to English, although I'm not a fluent English speaker. So let's start our first video. And please don't forget to share it, like it, and the most important is to subscribe to this channel in order to get the latest updates. So here we go. Let's look at your first Arabic word, which is written here on the right of the picture. It is the word baladun. I repeat, baladun. So what this word stands for? No, it doesn't mean a map. It doesn't mean France, if you have recognized the France map. Well, simply this word means a country. A country. So when you want to say a country in Arabic, you say baladun. Baladun. Another important point, Arabic is written from right to left. So this is the opposite of what you see in the English language. Now, I will repeat the word and you have to tell me what is the first sound or letter that you hear. I repeat, baladun, baladun. So the first sound or letter is ba, written here in red. Now, let's unlink the letter ba from the word baladun. We get this. Well, something strange happened. The letter ba is a little bit different from what we have seen in the beginning. Well, don't worry, it's normal because in Arabic when the letters are attached to each other in a single word, their format change a little bit depending on their position. We will talk about this later in this course. Let's move now to the Arabic alphabet table. Now you know the letter ba. You know how it is written in the beginning, but also in its isolated format. Let's try to localize it in this table. So, did you find it? Yes, it is in the second position of this table. The letter ba is an easy letter. That's why I selected it to be the first letter I speak about in these courses. The letter ba is pronounced exactly the same way as we pronounce the letter ba, b in English. So ba in Arabic is pronounced like the letter b in English. Now let's come back to our word baladun. Actually, it is composed of three main letters, ba, lam, and del. Note that above each letter there are some symbols called Arabic diacritics that act like vowels. I will explain some of them in the first video. But for the moment, let's come back to our letter ba. I told you that writing the letter ba in the beginning is different from its writing if it is isolated. So let's see all the different formats of the letter ba. So if it is isolated, we have seen that it is written this way. Then depending on its position on a word, we write it differently. In the beginning, it is written like this, as we have seen in the word baladun. In the middle, it is written like this, as in the word Lebanon, Lebanon, which means milk. Now, if the letter ba is in the final position, we write it this way, like in the word Jabun, Jabun, which means a pocket. Apart from contextual format of a letter, we have also seen some symbols called Arabic diacritics, used for vocalization. Let's take an example and look at the symbols written above the letters ba, la, and del. Let's take the first letter, ba. The symbol above the letter ba is called fatha, fatha, and it produces the sound ba rather than bu or b or whatever. So if we add the fatha to the letter ba, we get the sound ba, ba. So it is ba, not ba, not ba. There is no ba in Arabic. It's ba. The fatha is called also a short vowel, but it is not the only one. There are other short vowels. So let's take them all. The first one is the fatha. So when we add it to a letter, we get the sound a, like for ba. For example, baytun, baytun, which means a house. Now, if we add the short vowel dhamma, dhamma to the letter ba, we get the sound bu, bu, like in the word bustanun, bustanun, a garden. The final short vowel is the kasra, kasra. So when we add it to the letter ba, we get the sound b, b, like in the word bintun, bintun, which means a girl. Note here that the kasra is written below the letter ba. So this is special compared to fatha and dhamma. The kasra is written below the letter ba, except if it is associated with another symbol called shadda. We will see this in a future episode. I think it's enough now. You have learned a lot. Let's practice by doing an exercise. So I will pronounce some Arabic words that we have already seen, maybe in this course, or maybe not. And you will tell me what is the position of the letter ba in this word. So the first word is Lebanon, Lebanon, which means milk. We have already seen this word. You have 3 seconds. Please tell me, where is the letter ba? Yes, it is in the middle. Now let's move to another word, the word عنب, عنب, which means grapes. Yes, the letter ba is in the final position. The third word is bustanun, bustanun, a garden. Of course, the letter ba is in the beginning. And note that the letter ba here is associated to the dhamma. That's why we pronounce bu, bustanun.
Now let's move to the last exercise, which is an exercise of writing. So you can take a paper and a pen and try to write the same thing that I'm writing right now. So we first of all we will try to write the letter ba with the different short vowels. So I write ba, and then I add the fatha above the letter. Same thing, I write the letter ba. Pay attention that I'm writing from right to left, ba, with a dot below the letter and a dhamma above the letter. Same thing, letter ba, but this time I put a kasra below the letter. So this is a little bit simple. Now try to write the letter ba, but this time in a word like baladun. So we write ba in the beginning, ba, and then we link it to the next letter, which is lam, la, and we add the letter dal, dun. Now move to another example where the letter ba is on the middle, as we have seen in the word Lebanon. La, then in the middle we find ba, la ba. It's rather a dot, pay attention to this. La ba, and then we attach it to the last letter, which is noon. Lebanon. Last example is the letter ba at the end of a word, so it is in the final position. We write the word jabun. Ja, I, bun. That's it. So here are the different letter of ba with the different position. So try to train yourself writing these letters and these words in order to improve your writing skills in Arabic.
So we have reached the end of this first lesson. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you will continue watching those videos, and see you in the next video. Bye.